Hi guys. Today I am talking it's about a way to make extra money using ipoll app. This is one of the market research apps to make money where users complete market surveys and tasks to earn. It customizes tasks based on your preferences and consumer habits. Users answer questions and give comments on products and services that they use, and are tasked to try products and services. Let's see how this works. Register on the app and provide basic information including information about your preferences and consumer habits. Once you have completed this, you will start receiving messages to alert you of new surveys and tasks. You will earn rewards in ipoll currency that can be redeemed as a gift card or cashed out through PayPal from $10. You can share your thoughts on products and services honestly through quick polls and testing prototype products. We can follow a trick when we use this site. Sometimes surveys on this app are not exceedingly long, so try to complete as many as possible. Since the app is customizable, try to give interests that are easily accessible to you. When you register, you are automatically entered into a quarterly prize competition of $10,000. The ipoll website has advantages as well as disadvantages. The ipoll site is free to join and is user-friendly. Also, the site is competitive with other survey apps and websites. But generally the pay amount on surveys is relatively low. While using ipoll, you decide what surveys you would like to participate in and you are invited to surveys that are relevant to you. If you do not qualify for all the surveys automatically on the app, which means you may miss out on some higher paying surveys. We hope to bring you another Google application like this through the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Join us on YouTube. Please subscribe Softlofihub YouTube channel. Thank you.